There's Tammy.
Hi guys.
It is February 20th. It's a beautiful day. We're in the middle of a big snowstorm. Everything's closed, schools and all that. It's supposed to get 9 to 10 inches or more. About 20 degrees. This is clip 3. Again, I've got Tammy with me.
Hi.
Kurgan, who's blowing copious amounts of undercoat. That's what all those tufts of hair are, for those who will ask. And believe me, a lot of people will ask. And Mr. Lobo and my Lycan Shepherd Ulu. Again, come along. We just climbed up. We're on a upper ridge trail that's going to run above the wetlands we've been hiking through. We're going to get a good workout on this trail. It winds up and down this ridge for quite a ways. Makes for beautiful scenery. Go around if she doesn't go over. Come on, Ulu. Come on. Come on. Let's see what she does. That wood bridge makes kind of a weird creaky noise when you go over it when it's covered in snow.
Is she gonna go down?
Oh, she'll come down. Yeah, there she goes. Come on.
She's like, uh-oh.
Come on.
Oh, good girl.
Good girl.
Kurgan's like, you took the fun way.
One. Yeah, I haven't filmed this hike along this ridge for a little while, but if you go down below, I've got a whole bunch of different videos of it at all times of the year. It's a beautiful hike in the summer too. Looks completely different though. Yeah. Well, you know, we're going to get a workout when you know we got to go the exact same way back. Huh?
Yeah, you're right.
Beautiful, huh?
Stupid nose.
Man, I'm getting a workout.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, burpees weren't fun. Yeah, they're never fun. Right? Burpees aren't fun. Those who've been in the Army know them well. Super effective exercise though. That almost wasn't good. Almost slid down the hill there. That might have made a good viral video. Yeah. It is. Yeah, that's where it comes from. It's a spring that runs down underneath this. A natural spring that it's frozen up there, but runs down underneath this wood platform I'm on and down into the river valley into the lake, which then eventually works its way into the Mississippi. Hey, be careful along here.
All ice?
Oh, I don't know, but I'm just, yes, stay up here. There's a board there, you can kind of keep a foot on the edge of. Well, we're running to the end of the ridge here, and then it goes back down into the valley. I think we're gonna turn around for the next clip, run back along the ridge to the Jeep. Bye from me, the snow-covered Tammy,
See ya.
Kurgan, Lobo, and Ulu. Again, thanks for coming along. I hope you enjoyed it. Another clip coming up. Bye.
Oh, your phone.
Yeah.